Yo, 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 what's up? It's J2O, man. You already know we out here. It's Friday. The trading week is about over. And this week was crazy. NFP week is always crazy in the market because you're gonna see, volatility, especially on Friday with the non-farm employment change news event and also the Canadian news for employment change, unemployment rate. So this week I didn't do so well in terms of I took a loss by stacking earlier in the week. Because if you notice Monday, that's why it's so important to check the forex factor calendar. If you notice Monday, you have JPY, which is a bank holiday all day. So knowing this, you will know like the market is going to be kind of slow because the bank is not active. Usually the banks is like pushing the market up and down. They bring a lot of volatility in the market. So when the banks are closed, which this was closed, 2 days in a row because of the holiday, the market was slow. So I got in a trade Monday and Tuesday, took some L's because I wasn't paying attention. And then Thursday, I made back some money because the market kind of was correcting itself a little bit of some movement. So Thursday, there was some like movement with the GB pairs because I was trading GBP JPY pair. So I made some money, but due to my risk management, my losses outweighed my wins. So therefore, I had a loss this week, and I didn't trade Friday because Friday, as you can see, there's these holidays for the French bank holiday and GBP. So I didn't want to like play around in the market because I didn't want to lose more money, and the market been acting funny, so I wasn't having it right now. So that's why it's so important to check the calendar to know what's happening during the week because it can affect your trading. If you don't check, then you'll be short. You might get in position and wonder why the market's slow. So make sure you check the forex calendar to see what's going on this week. And also, let's look at charts real quick. So right now, if you look at the GBP JPY, so this is Friday. You can see how the market pushed up during NFP. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is Monday over here. So Monday, there wasn't too much movement, trending down, a lot of consolidation, a lot of consolidation. So I got stuck in some consolidation, holding a buy. And then the market just dropped and then dropped, big drops because the banks holiday wasn't that much momentum. So market just dropped down. Then Thursday, I got in for some buys or the sells. Yeah, I caught the sell actually. So I caught the sell Thursday, caught that, and then got out, and then market just went back up. So this week, I took some L's, but it happens in this forex game. You can make money, you can lose money, but if you know how to manage your risk, you'll be okay. And if I pay attention to the calendar, I probably wouldn't have lost that much money of percentage of my account. But it's all good. It's a learning experience, or it just helps me become more disciplined by focusing on make sure I focus on the little stuff, like paying attention to the day, pay attention to what's happening during the week with like news events, so I can be overall prepared for what can happen in the market. So at least that's what happened to me with this pair, GPUSD. As you can see, wasn't too much movement Monday. It's Tuesday here, consolidation. Then started to drop down. Wednesday, Thursday dropped down again. Then it pushed back up for Friday. So yeah, that's what happened this week. Many people lost money trading this week that I know of. And let's look at gold real quick. So gold market Monday, consolidation, drop down, lot consolidation, it rolls back up. trying to create a new high, then drop down, create a new low, consolidate a little bit, then went back up, create a new high, consolidated, and went back down. So gold has been like up and down this week. So yeah, man, this week been very interesting because the NFP, there's usually crazy stuff that could happen. So you just gotta be mindful. Can't like be you shouldn't go crazy on your trades, especially when you know there's a lot of stuff happening in the market, such as bank holidays or these news events. As you can see, these red folders could play a role in the market. So just letting you guys know, this week took some L's, took some wins, but you need to manage my risk better, and that's what makes someone a consistent profitable trader, by managing the risk. So in trading, you will make money and you will potentially lose money. But if you don't know how to manage your risk, you could end up losing a lot or blowing your account, which I ain't do that because I have decent risk management, but could always be better. You know, some trades I might go more on than others because I feel like a better setup and maximize my wins, or some trades I might not, depending on the market conditions. So just a little recap of this week. And just be careful trading when there's a bank holiday or NFP week because the market can be funny. It may not follow your technical analysis, it might be very fundamental. So just be on the lookout. So continue to follow me on Facebook, IG, YouTube, and like, comment, subscribe if you have any more questions. And you already know we out here.